everybody, and welcome back to the channel. So we've got this 09 Cadillac CTS. It's got dealership tint on it, but we're taking it off and replacing it with ceramic tint because the ceramic tint is way better than dealership tint. So we're computer cutting everything. All right, so I've got these two front windows. That's for the car. They're already put in place. This is going to be the carbon ceramic 20%. So once I got them in place right here, basically what I do is I just send it over to the plotter. And the plotter does its thing right there. Alright, so what I'm doing right here, so see this part, it already has the cuts in it, but I gotta get that excess tint off of there, so that's what I'm basically doing right here. See, as I'm pulling it off, you see the shape of the tint? That's for the back doors. Got it. That's for the back doors. And then so this is the back window right here. It's pretty much gonna be the same thing. Now I'm not eating the tint. It looks like it, but I'm actually splitting it to get that part out. So this is a rear glass right here. This is the ceramic fiber. Alright, so now this one, it's got a whole bunch of glue that it left behind us, a bunch of adhesive left from the old tint on there. So this is a cleaner that we use. It'll be available on our site if you guys want to purchase it. It's basically like an all-purpose cleaner. You can use it for tires, pretty much really anything that you need to clean. So to protect the door panel, we have these towels on there like this. Occasionally, as the water starts to run off, I just rub up against it, but this protects anyway. You know, if you're doing that, all the electronics down here, they're not gonna get wet. They're not gonna mess up because we're protecting it that way. So, all right, now you notice how the glue started to turn kind of yellow. That's basically when it starts to get kind of weak. And like I can sort of move it around with my finger. We're gonna come back with the scrub and then a scraper. We're gonna get all that super clean before we put the ceramic tint on there. That will ensure a dirt-free, no champagne special tint job. And that's it for this one. This is a carbon ceramic 20% 5 on the back. We just finished it up, but we're gonna take it outside where there's a lot more light because we're gonna give one final inspection before we deliver it to the customer. But other than that, it looks like it's ready to go. Let's go check it out outside. All right, so this is a carbon ceramic 20% on the front. See, it's pretty dark, but not too dark. And then the carbon ceramic 5% right here on the back, so you can't see on this one. It also helps that the interior on the car is black. Because black interiors make tint pop darker. And so this had that regular tint. It had dealership tint, but we took that one off. Dealers don't go dark, so we took that one off, replaced it with carbon ceramic 5. As you can see, all the edges and everything is like super clean. Coming around to this side, see, like, look on these edges, there's no gaps coming through or anything like that, no scratches on the glass. We computer cut everything, no cuts on these gaskets, everything was professionally done. So if you want to get something like this done, just make sure you visit our website, subscribe to the channel to see more installs on projects like these, and follow us on Instagram. So it's Carlos the Texas Squeegee signing off, and I'll see you on the next one.